Testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Are we perhaps, perchance, perchance, what is it, how is it said? Perchance, just refresh, that's gonna be that, I think, I hope. Perchance, it's gonna, you're gonna get a notification soonish. Get myself. Yeah. Test. Is it okay? Go on to home. There. I don't know why it wasn't there. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Is everything okay? Okay, perfect then. Like. Hello, people. Thank you. We're back with the Tauri Types Factory. I figured out a problem from last time about this thing. So what I did is, so let's recap. What we had before, let's turn off this one, let's do it short. Rust, so yeah, so what we had before was this one. Blah blah blah, no, not allowed because it's not a built-in parameter. We hated that, so we tried to fix that for God knows how long, and then from the last live stream, which was just a bit let me just see when it was. It was 3 days ago. Since then, I've been trying to fix this crap and failing to search how to create a customer. So in the end, the perfect idea that I got today was, let's just remove it after compiling the program, because we are, once again, we are using what's the name of the thing? We are making a proc macro, so we can return whatever we want from there. So we can just remove the things we don't like. We don't like is in quotation marks. We get the value and then we can remove it because the compiler afterwards doesn't need it. So that's gonna be fucking perfect. And that thankfully works, as you can see here. It says, because before it would output correctly, but then get us a compilation error, which we didn't like. So because I don't need it afterwards, we can just poof it out and remove it. We can even check that. If we go like here, cargo expand test 1. If we go into test.rs, you can see there's nothing here. But if we go and here, go ahead and not remove it and export it, we're gonna see that it's still there, which was causing us our problem with compilation. So easy fix. Let's remove it. How I do that is here, when we find get attribute value, get string attribute value, what we do here is, just instead of returning the old string, it was like this before, but now we return option of a pair, I guess, a tuple, a tuple of string, and USize string being the value, and then USize being the index of the attribute in the array. So when we find it, we can do whatever we want with it, and for example, here, what we do is we remove it. You don't have to remove it. We don't. For example, when we look for it by get namespace for this thing right here, which is types, which you can look at right here, we don't remove it because it doesn't break anything. But if we wanted to, we could just remove everything from there and no one would be any wiser. But we don't need that, so we just map the results until we find it. And how we do that is we result map. So this maps the result, so only if it's okay do we go into this function, or what would it be? Right, closure function. We only call this function if closure if the result is okay, and then here again only if the option is sum. So we go ahead and extract names, so it's very easy, as you can see. Totally, it is very easy. So here we get the path, and then if it exists, we push the string to the type, and then remove it from the attributes list, so it doesn't get compiled. Here. Oop, and now it doesn't exist no more. Perfect. Now let's see everything that we need to fix. So the errors. These are the errors. Example, the test struct. Why would it be examples of test struct? Because of this. Yeah, so what we would do here is namespace is equal to example, and also here die. I guess that's my explanation. Let's restart the analyzer, and we're gonna see that it's gonna actually work now. We can see the test structs right here. So let's have a before and after. So this is gonna be before, and just to be sure, we're gonna copy paste it from here. That's it. As you can see, still it doesn't work, and we can save. No, wait. A few things. First, we need to go into file and turn this on, and then we can go to here, no, to here, and just to be sure that we're using the correct version, or i.e. the log one we are, and then save. It's gonna check it, and we can see the output is correct, which is good. You can fix the back right away, but you see everything is correct. And now here I can go ahead and use invoke or something like that. Go ahead and use here, and I can see the result. It's gonna be a vec. Wrong thing, but yeah, it's gonna be a vec. Or we can use test2, for example. Test2. Let's and define. I'm gonna at some point figure out how to I'm gonna at some point figure out how to use this. I don't have a clue how we're gonna use that. Keys are test2. I'm guessing that this is. I'm gonna need to go here and check test2 test struct. First 0 and second 1. Oh, because there's no underscore. This is it. And so value is a number. Perfect. Work. Oh, I love it. Now let's figure out the vector one. So the problem with vex is I remember there being a problem with vex. I just don't remember what it where it was exactly. So we're gonna figure that out right away. Oh my god. I just yeah. We're gonna go back to this.
Watching you. Someone's watching you.
No, it's watching me. No,
Yes,
no,
that is. You have 2 likes.
Yeah, from me and you. You and me. So yeah, we have that. Now what are we gonna do? Yeah, vectors. So that's actually probably, so that was on return value. I think it doesn't matter really which value, but let's see. So return value is in command. Default type string. Okay, that's void. Yeah, so we do segments to string, which doesn't really work because there's a vector. So let's do it like this. Line. Like this. No, it's all. No, it's all. It's okay, so perfect. Okay, clone. I like it, I can just clone everything. Now let's see. Let's remove that. We are gonna have. I'm gonna remove this one. And we okay, we don't this or this for testing. Actually, let's do that. So fn test to just return that of your return back. You don't want to. Perfect. And then we are gonna have Tauri commands, Tauri types command, and we are gonna see just returns are back. Okay, and let's go here. Cargo builds. So it's identity segments. For segments, we are gonna go. Segment, sure. Big tracks, dot clone, token string. Built. This is one big segment. Okay. That's arguments. Again. So let's see, where is vector? Standard back. What does this return? The standard of vector back. So we're gonna also be back. Words when it's a back to go to this back to an array. So let's see. Elements to string. So it is vector. Yeah, but if it's so we're gonna do we wanna do if it's vec and not standard vec. I don't think anyone's gonna type that. We can do like standard vec and vec. Intermap. Enumerate. Back, track, back. That's the back. Well, actually, it's static. It's the original. Maybe it's static, but perchance. Oh, it can be a static. Like. Let's see. Let's see. So if it's a vector, it contains its I don't like it. I don't like doing it that way. Let's see. For segment in segments. That's not it. Enumerate. Size. Comment. Segment. Let's go. Length. Under rec and I. If it doesn't, we're gonna break. That's yes. I don't exactly think. Oh my god. So like that. I think I don't understand why it's defaulted. Right, please. Ah, okay. See, I told you it's not gonna work. Back. What that? Yes, ask that. That's actually much smarter to do. Yes, Marco.
Just
a second. I'm back. Now let's see. Back to check. Perfect. Fucking hell. Let's just do this. And I do like that. Accelerate un tipo. Sides, left. So, 3, we're gonna try this out. Can I somehow break here? So, let's 1, 1. Yeah. So it's next. Let's unwrap that. If it's not in here, I wanna break and push it onwards. Will that work though?
I wish you a happy sleeping time.
No. Pause back. We're gonna return whatever is in between those brackets. I'll stick whatever is in between those brackets so we can go let's math dots against path arguments, right? And bracket, I think it's gonna be in bracket. Let's do this match. Yeah, just let's this. Bracket. So results and just so it's you know what they're gonna go arcs dot next and it has to become one of those. hit the next unwrap dot. Let's not unwrap it here. Yeah, let's do it let sum arg. Yes, we need to tell some arg dot get. Not but the lifetime a type probably because it's type. If like argument type arg and I thought what? Oh, not again. Oh no, wait, because this type string perfect. Let's see. Arg type and return something like join. Yeah. Can't I? So like that, right? That should be fine, I think. So if there's 3, if someone read it, so let's see. Maybe I can do it this way. That's any segments. Well, let's set that. So it returns a boolean if any of them lose it. So if any of them aren't equal, I think that's gonna work.
Man, this is stupid as shit up there.
Let me see.
So someone sent this and then later on a long time I just sent it.
Well, this was some nice water, a nice need of very much needed water. So what we're doing here is we're going through all 3 segments and seeing if one of them doesn't equal. I guess I can do it on ne. Isn't that correct? So doesn't equal. Ne is just equal, but not. I think. So if any one of them doesn't equal the thing we want, which is standard vector check. So if skip if one of them not back, if it is back, what we're gonna do is the same thing here. We're gonna get the segments iter segment. Yeah. Oh, perfect. We're gonna unwrap it because we know it exists. Everything. So we're gonna get the argument, blah blah, and if it's all cool, it's cool. If it's not cool, we die. Now, if we go into this thing, save, it should work. Now, that's not. That's 2. Perfect. Okay, that works. Let's go here. Save. Wait, stop. Save. It's gonna turn through this thing of its. Okay, it compiled. Let's save. Okay, of course it doesn't work. Why am I not surprised though? Does it work here when I press vector 52? Probably not. I know exactly what. No, wait, it doesn't make much sense. No, I know. File. See, I know my stuff. Save. Work. Now, what does list all files? List drives returns, check hate, wait a passion, list drive. List drives return. What was just the drive array? Can I create it right? What's that? TS. Right. Yeah, that's actually. I like it. I like this guy. Yeah, he's fine. Should be pretty fine. Promise. Let's hope it works as we want to. Yeah, I wanted to just return driveway, not sort of like it is named in there, which is not good. But it does indeed work. Let's just change that here somewhere. Commandish. Leap. So yeah, it's in here probably. Yeah. Nope. Maybe I can put it there, but who knows? Maybe it's another. Nope. Pretty fine there, and then tap here, save. If we get a bad here, pretty fine, everything. Oh, I love this. So nice. Instead of that bullcrap that I'm writing, that are the type names, because these type names don't look nice at all. They work, which is nice for me, but they look ugly as fuck. So I'm glad it doesn't look that bad. Let's see here. What's this? This is a type. Do we export type? No, this, not this. There is everything that we do. Of course, that's not work. You know, type string. So somewhere in here. Fields. Name fields. So let's see. We do export. There's an export type. Which type of fields we get? Why? Yeah, that makes sense. 2 out of 5. Oh yeah, hold on. 2, 3, 4. I'm just scared if it did it correctly. Let's. Okay, so for these two, Certainly. We need to do here. No need to do that. Here then. Again, no need to do that. Here. No need to do that. Perfect. Now let's save again and see what it does. I would love if I could indent these better, but I'm not gonna write an indenter right now. But that's certainly for a future release, because if you have TypeScript or something, maybe you can just go like I can just like format it here. Yeah, it's on that card. And it's gonna work perfectly fine with you. So. And again, you're not gonna be looking at this file very much. Test struct tool. Not really names. Why is that? Variants. Why do I have these all variant names? I don't know what to put. Ah, yeah. No, I don't know what it was. Name. Of course. Second. I'm back. Hello, hello. Checking, testing. Testing, testing. Now you won't hear back. Just to go to the live. Click live. Click the live. Testing. What's wrong? Oh, stop.
The music coming.
Which music? Is it?
My bird, I like you. When the dogs are barking, it's something.
Do you hear us yourself? Do you hear us now? I put.
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, what about now?
Sure.
Okay, that's good.
Hold on to
What?
you like it.
Yeah. Type to string here. Or an array. I hate this. What the fuck is this? Yeah, this. Was it here? Yeah, it was here. Test struct too. Why does it? Oh, I'm sorry. Name. Some key. Let's think about this. Why do it like this? Name. Roles.
Ah!
Is you okay?
Yes, it fits me.
String. Dot. So, string. And this. Is it compiled? Yes, it is. Let's save. Can we go? Perfect. This segment first. This segment. Segments. That. Go.
I like it.
You know. Right, it's a struct, not an enum. Of course, it's gonna have a field. What the hell? Okay, now this is just maybe wrong. Structs. Okay. So I have something else to fix as well. Where is it? Like here. So this is not an enum. What could talk? May not. I will. Let's go here. Name unnamed. Yeah, no, I did that way. And there's unnamed. Go to this fields. Unnamed. Fields.unnamed line. One, we are just gonna have the type. If there's more, we are just gonna put it in there. Isn't that correct? Yeah, because we can struct this, struct that, represent this as an all. But yeah, this makes sense. This also makes sense. And this is gonna make sense. So. I need to push something afterwards. Oh, so brackets, really? Let's see. So now, so what we're doing here is instruct, we go type A equal. So we don't need this. This. Save, let's see here. We can do this, or we can do not this. But anyways, yeah. say. Yeah, perfect. Huh? There.
Oh, no.
Number. Perfect.
I like.
So now it's the correct type. This is the correct type. Like all the other types are also correct. So I'm just gonna do never. Though it is null, I guess.
Perfect. A lot. But the kids will run away.
No, I think she would die. She's very strong on me getting copyrighted, so I spend more time with her.
Sano?
No.
No? But
No?
it's. You can't
No,
get copyrighted.
You can do, they can do it.
Erase memory. That's
Not networks.
smooth. You don't remember anything.
Well, do you want me to remove the KitKat? Hello, KitKat. Goodbye, KitKat. Do you want a dinner cap? Do you want a dinner cap?
No. Smell?
The whole thing I'm drunk, don't worry. I know, don't worry. So can you let cabinets one? I'm not sure, maybe we can do back. That's your point. I don't think there's anything all that substantial in actor, but I feel like there's only fact. Should have necessary to the intellect splice. None of that. Is it also the cat? Fucking cat. Listen here, cat. No. Asshole. Please.
What?
Put this away.
Natural.
Just for so the cat doesn't become cat food.
Doesn't become?
Cat food.
Oh god.
I don't think we want. What's that? A camera to become cat food?
Hello, bro.
Who's Kelno?
Hello. Maki, would you like to watch Castlevania?
What's that? Maybe? I think we heard it for good.
Anime.
I think we heard it.
Huh?
I think we heard it for good. Why not?
Oh, you should.
Maybe. Tomorrow, the day after. We're gonna watch it. Yeah, sure. Where do you want me to store this so it doesn't get broken?
Тут фил какой.
No. I don't understand the language you speak. No. She smoked me and then ran away promptly afterwards. Okay, so after I omit this, because I think I fixed all the bugs that I certainly put somewhere. So what I want to try is test this. So double value. Test 2, test 4. So yeah, this we cannot use, so we're not even gonna try to use. This we can use, this we can use. This also we can't use. C. It also gonna release. B. C. You're gonna add them all. I don't think we can actually. There's one we can't use. Test 2, 3. Test 3 we can't use, so we're not gonna use that one. Oh, we're gonna use variable value though.
Я не умею персов.
Yes. I actually got another thing. We need to put somehow the this for the end also. I'm gonna do that before I forget. So command turn type have dot style. Let's restart it. Let's see. Honestly, it's impossible to live with it widget. Lifetimes. There is no thingamajig either. I'm surprised somewhat. Interesting. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Fine. Sure. Everything has return time. Question mark. Turn path. We can have sure. Alright. So I'm gonna do that. Oh. What's that in the signature? No, wait. Think about. I don't know what. And that comes in here, doesn't it? Fuck. Not an export, I guess.
Huh?
Nothing. How? Don't put it. Let's do that. And then I know why they put it in here because I need these arguments. So attribute. So okay, to do. Come on. Oh, that's actually very nice. Don't care though. Now that's not nice. Attribute attributes. Back into attributes name. Oh no. No, I was correct. The other attributes. A certain one here actually. That's good. Signature item. Obviously, it's not gonna be there. Attributes item attribute. Item attributes. So that's gonna be. That part. Let's have this. That's gonna be. Let's go with that. Perfect. You also need to remove that. I'm perfectly fine with that. Oh my fucking god. I'm laughing at you. Oh, thank you for loving me and my content when the dogs are barking. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see. but I should be able to do that. Get signature, so if some else this path is gonna be push path. Perfect. And also I can after stuff remove path I perfect, isn't it? Why is this mutable? I don't care. Why is it mutable? Sure, it's gonna be somewhere. There it is. Meow. Did you hear her meow? She's meowing. What's wrong with you? I can't believe how fun I am at some points in time. Yeah, let's see. This is gonna do test. Incorrect. I'm gonna okay, wow. That's all. That's one. Another Typescript. Another. Okay. That was nice though. I was like, that doesn't look correct now, does it? Okay, a lot of unsafe code though. Who cares? It's fine. It's fine. The reason I do it this way is because, I should explain before. We don't want to reopen the file because that's gonna rewrite it the whole time every time we reopen it, and we don't want to append it because we want to delete the file once and for all. And we can't open it statically. So what we're gonna do is open it this way, in a safe way, because I know it's gonna be only one thread, so I don't need to think about having multiple threads, which is gonna be okay. Static path. That seems fine. Recommend. Yeah, let's remove this. I need to remember everything that I wrote. I'm gonna leave it there so I don't forget though. Next step. Best enough. I'm gonna guess it's not here. Best enough. How the I'm gonna kill them. They're assholes. This is good adjustment to don't think that's the correct thing. I actually can assure you that's not the correct thing. Stupid. Fuck off. We had to remove it with force. Let's see. Alex, no, please, Dave. Make it here. Is there a lot of functions we have here? They should work. Maybe. What we're gonna do is gonna test all the functions up. Do invoke. See what we have double value, and the argument is value. I'm gonna pass a nice 54, 64, fine. But wait. Let's see this going to so I can do that. Responsive. Let's do it this way. Next function is the strifes. What does it need? Oh, nothing. And the file, perfect. Value the strifes. And that's this test. So test that. First 0, second 1. 2. Test. So that's 4. We have something else. Test that 2 is number. We are gonna do that 2 and 4. It's fine. After this, we're gonna check test A, which requires us to do. Fine, so test 4, test A, test, and then I guess B, and then 5, perfect. Perfect. Now we need to start this because Tauri Dev, Tauri Dev, public article. So I don't like the PlayStation console. Whatever it is, we're running. I can't remember it. So what is PS actually? PlayStation. PowerShell. Don't like. I like comment much more. Though PowerShell is actually more useful. They can't be bothered. It's gonna run at some point. No one knows why.
Just got inserted into my brain.
I see. Okay, yeah. Does it? So this is double up. Certainly works. Please drives. Yeah, sure works. I don't know. Test 2. I guess it's. I don't know what test 2 does, but my guess it's multiplying capitals. So yeah, makes sense. 0. Perfect. Test 4 is 2 and 4, which is A. Perfect. Test A returns A, and I can do A. If it's equal to no, it works. So then let's see. We have B, which is marked. And just to be sure, how do they do? Oh, I can do that. So just A. Not there. It's equal to no, 1. That's yeah. I think that's going to be Marco or something. I don't remember what it was. Marco, yes. And it's gonna triple it because we have fancy. And then test C through. C through.
How did you get?
Don't worry. Thank you. And file 1. Let's reload it. That's a lot of words I don't understand and don't care about. So this finally has a working version, I think. Everything tested so far works. I could over-test it. Would I? It's sort of a different thing. Because for testing I also need like Node.js and Tauri, and I don't want to set testing. It's gonna be hard. No, we're not gonna test it. So let's close this. I'm running out of storage space to record, as you can see. I mean, it's a small number of that's certainly going down because I'm recording it. No, I like that I can just control R and reload it fully. So let's see a few things. Let's do it this way. So file,
Oh.
and let me put it here, and then put it here. Let's be short. So file, change from this to this. So it's just get with fixed file, fixed file with file. Okay, so that's one. I will right away start this because I want to be able to test it. Command, let's see, mutable stability. I hope this works. If it doesn't, I'm just not gonna even bother anymore. We added all the supported types. And then we have the path, which we might remove. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, makes sense. Involve. Let's do it this way. Invoke. Let's do this. Five and 5, 4 involve involve. Without the mic or with mic? Of course we can. Not.
I deeply apologize for my audio disturbances. I hope no one minds or no one gets off-put and leaves the stream because of me.
Listen, the first need to be people in the stream for them to leave, so don't worry.
Yeah?
So, no, there isn't.
Do not mind me, I'm just... We are next to each other and I can't shut myself down.
Don't bother. You didn't worry, I was joking. Let's see. I don't think we need this anymore because we do it the other way. We call segment types, which then we get the output. Makes sense. Though, would I put this? Type. No. No, it's all fine. I put it before lol. I'm smarter than I seem, even to myself. We don't need this anymore. Mutable item. Namespace. No, because that's by spec. I don't want to fight the spec, but I would not want that.
I really love the cat songs.
I'm glad.
Oh,
Is it like that is? Don't worry. Lines of phone. I don't think I can find it in this thing. Fine. I do actually. Huh. So I have X-Lax. Don't I read that? I said from that. If I go to here, I have X-Lax. Let's see. I'm going into my WS submacro, see if I have X-Args. I don't know what they are. So I help. Okay, so I can go back. So I can go CD mount. What was it?
scared. I'm talking to people and I'm scared.
Don't worry, do it. You can do it. Yes, you can. You can do it everywhere. You can do it. Yes, you can. You can do it everywhere. So monkey streaming. Forget this. This is case sensitive stream. Streaming. Actual types. Let's do this. Others. So we have not even 1,000 lines total, and that's with these lines, which means we probably have a lot less. Let's do some sort with 600 lines total, and it's a working library. Huh? The more you know. What did I even add here? I don't know. Fixed errors, revoked. I can get. How much don't get. Get format. And the form. I don't know how to write them. It's and the same types. Support. Type support. type support, and modes, types, and yeah, and specify the full path in the style, and something I remember the full path for function to specify the full path in the style. Push. Now let's not open Discord. Let's make a good idea. With Discord thing. Until that here. How about for types? Let's see. Since I have some resting. Let's see. Yeah, I would actually like that to happen. I want to move it this way. Now I need to go in there and find the read.md file. That's me, I guess. Readme.md, not read.md. Right. Nope. Oh god. Oh, I hate it here. No. From that translates the between Rust types from Rust to Typescript, Typescript, for the integration with what now? Wait. Proc. All right. Yes. Number no, cheat sheet. Thank you. Bullet. And thanks. Thank you. Hold. That's it. Please. Okay, this is perfect. Oh, that's let's batch. Batch. So it is bash. It seems, but so I don't know. I took close maybe it's not supposed to shell or something. Also, two. Add. Add the. Add new. Have access. No. Oh no. Rust. Check that on it. Okay, that's probably true. I don't know. Drive class act. It can be. So struct. Use. Bring. What would be next? What would be next? What would be next? Name. Name. Name is a name. So, probably something like that. Yeah. That's why I double check everything and we double check everything. Just want to find what it looks like. Typescript, yes. Let's do that. Yes. And GitHub. GitHub, sure. GitHub. What's that? What's that? What's that? What is this? Fancy routing. Okay, so TS it is. That's that installation requirements TypeScript from SH. So let's go and go SH. And that's let's do that then. I'm guessing. So then constant function finding for and macro above any function no export. And that's the password 20 row. Now let's see. add the sport materials. Units. But why so it doesn't provide the from good. For was color always or enjoy your next day. Last number save. From the types I can't speak anymore, it seems. Blah, blah, blah. Directly from Fine. It's from yes. Can use the type importing it. Type. I think that's gonna work nice. Actually. Yeah. Okay. Type is from. So I'm gonna put it that way so more people understand it. But you can use like wherever it is. To your type taken book. I like it more abstract. I use different filters. Support types with same fast. I don't like it. This should just and this should. Yeah, that's spelled correctly. I don't know. Oh. So, which name space TV. See. Okay, I like that. Then register. Custom type for function type. The type one is in another namespace or do if the type you want is another anchor, or you want to basically it's got some else. So if you if the type you want is another namespace, so you want to just type something else, you can use this feature. Yes. Functions. Function. Yeah, right. Do that. Is this correct in my understanding? It is. That function. Let's see. I'm gonna get this fully. It's sometimes I feel like I don't know how to write either TypeScript or Rust if I'm doing desktop and Proc. So this will set the moment even if it's not so way cool. Not but for now just set it to 5. Right. just. So, turns. I don't think you can anything else. What the what the hell was that? The white on your screen, it flashed white so many times. Ah, it flashed so many times. I was confused. Yeah, I guess. Do you think this is okay? Hello?
Huh?
Do you think this is okay?
Give me a second.
Okay.
Oh, that's great. I love it. Huh?
Sure. Okay. Okay.
Good review?
Great review. Evolve. Just before that is already one like yours open. Already created. Let's show that there isn't one or there isn't one like yours already open. There isn't one like yours open. There isn't one like yours open. Can you please feed the catties?
Of course.
It should be there. A second. This is a. This is a very try to keep it will work. Very sad project. A very sad. Doesn't make much sense, but hopefully you'll learn the same. Much sad, very many wow. Very sad.
Initial. You see this?
Yes,
I'm gonna go feed this.
smart.
I wanna eat you like a piñata.
This is a very sad project for me. What the hell happened? Oh god. I'm just laughing to my bot. How many wrongings? How many wrongings? For nyami in your nyami. Your nose. Now read. Proofread it for me. Is it better if I do just the last and type or is it not?
Huh?
Is it better this or this? Or this better?
That's better.
They are looking at it so I think that's
Which way? What?
what cats are sitting there like continue reading.
This man, this is the most brilliant man ever, and I love him so much.
Thank you.
Just so you all know.
Thank you. When you can then just go scroll down.
Go down. Down. Like that. I'll tell you please, it's better you to put this there.
What were? This?
So this here, I'm sorry for touching your money.
What? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Word wrapping.
Okay, that was word wrapping. Whoopsie.
It's like you have
enter.
to this there.
I thought it was enter.
It's like HTML. Enter doesn't work.
Sorry.
No.
That's good.
Does this make sense? Like
That makes sense.
Okay.
That sound looks so.
Because it's bolded.
It looks out of place.
It is a bit out of place, but I want it there so people understand the problem.
Can you like
I'm
make
gonna
it
put it.
enter?
I'm gonna put it like this maybe. No.
Issues.
This like.
So?
Yeah. No, this like you will need because it's not an error per se, but it's a big dislike because I don't like it.
I think it's good.
No, continue. There's more. Read.
You go down in the hell up in spaces.
And I put it that way because I want a different name, space, like special, and then S not special. Doesn't make much sense. I let it know. Space.
Space.
That feel like that's even like this. Like this.
Yes, but I keep it in one thing so they are both gray. No. It's
No, it's fine. You don't want it doesn't matter.
Click it.
No, and I know what you mean. I don't want it.
Jockey. Eu me assim na pau que hoje a terminar.
Oh my fucking god. You want my what's left? What's little left of my life to just go in flames, eh?
Ah, não.
It's
Export everything. That's good.
I just wanted to
That's good.
proofread it because I don't know if it makes sense.
Dobre.
Issues. This is a very side project.
It's any issue.
That's different than this issue. This is just a normal word issue. This is an issue tab.
If there are any issue.
Issues. Okay, that's a valid tab. Issues. Why does this feel so wrongly typed? But just a second. Issues. Okay, it is valid. I don't know. It feels good. Hello, Jack. Thank you. God knows when this guy typed it. I hope you're still here. I'm semi having fun. What I'm doing is writing a library to be able to use like type safety from Rust into the Typescript universe. Good. I was focused too much on proofreading this, or my girlfriend proofreading that I didn't see the thingy. It is, because I hated not being able to know what I need to type. So now it's everything is type magic. And it's a very small like library. Just before it's like not even 600 lines long. And it works, so I don't care.
Congrats.
So it's you're alive for some reason?
Medicine.
Take it. So it's written, so it's all Rust. There's no TypeScript really involved, it's just typings. Don't worry. So it just goes and passes on the arguments to the Tauri invoke, but then types it all correctly. It's not pretty to look at, but it does work. And you shouldn't really look at this. Every type that you need to look at is typed nicely-ish. Everything like this. The arguments and return times aren't, but you shouldn't really look at them from here. You should only look at them from the invoke side. And there goes our little KitKat. Bye bye.
Do you want to introduce all of us?
Yeah, similar. Yeah, pretty much. So it just exports them to TypeScript.
Shame on you.
No shame. There's my girlfriend. I need to introduce everyone here, which is my 2 cats and my girlfriend. Otherwise, I'm gonna not have a dinner. That's my.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you can use the library. I'm just about to push the 0.0.2 version with all the actual good-looking stuff. The first version was pushed, so no one took my name, which I liked pretty much, which was literal just Tauri Types. Look at this. She's fighting with my toes. I'm just about to push it, and I'm hoping for the best because I don't know. Somehow it already got some downloads. Crates, I also Tauri Types, that's how it goes. No?
Is it? How does it?
It's like this. Tauri. So I don't know. Tauri. Tauri. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not good at that.
My children are proud of you.
Thank you.
Jaffa and Michka. Their names shall be known.
The names of our cats. Freights, link. Freights, link. Check it out on Freights. IO. Don't worry, she's doing fine. I feel like. Unless the link work. Not sure it's gonna work.
Gonna work, don't you worry.
I know I'm gonna need this probably. Let's see.
Why don't you use Obsidian?
Don't really want to.
Because it has a built-in spell check and everything.
I know, but too much.
So you spell.
Don't. What's
happening?
I'm trying to figure out how where is the Markdown 101 thing I just read for links, named links.
Just like a maybe recommendation.
Yes.
You might want to re-word
Oh, I don't
the
know.
last sentence.
Which was this one?
Side project.
No, I like the very side project. I'm joking. I'm gonna rename it. I'm just figuring it out. Don't worry. It's gonna be fun. Check it out. Trades I know on GitHub. Which is gonna be this link. Thank you.
We got the viewers.
Yeah. That maybe. I want a bigger break from there.
I'm sad because we don't carry your crying.
I know it's so hard. So, maybe yeah, I like it. Maybe not. What?
I wanna hit something. That
what do I need to hit? And what now?
What's it called? Oh, pie.
Oh, pie, yeah, of course. Makes sense. Let's think. Do you think?
Is.
Well, what do you like more? Like this thing? Like links and then check it out on Trades or GitHub? Or check it out on this way?
You should like it the second one.
Me too. Good. What about you, Jackie, if you're still here?
Jackie Stan, what do you think?
Yeah, I need some input on this. I'm not good at. Oh, and there it goes. I'm not good at this writing stuff.
You are, don't say things like that.
Oh, no problem, no problem. What?
What did you mean?
Aha, so the second one, I'm guessing. Huh? No, don't worry. Fine. Oh my god. Wait, I have a perfect thing. So, this option, I'm guessing. Yeah, thank you. At least you're gonna be. Don't, you're fine. You're fine. Check it out. Right, so GitHub. I'm gonna add a Discord. How? If someone wants to go there and check it out, I want it there. How did you like the Discord bot video though? Check. Fine, you're fine, don't worry. Let's see, okay, perfect. I might need Advanced server settings, invites. Oh, I'm glad you liked it. When I had like after writing it, yeah, good. I'm glad it's actually educational because that was the first time for me working in Rust, especially with this robot. So I didn't know how anything there worked, and I was stupid enough to not use something like Visual Studio Code or even just a bit of configuration and NeoVim. So I didn't have any of the types or anything. So I was literally walking blind, which was not fun or smart. Now let's, how do I add invites? Let's,
Хочеш ли неща? Kao jutros, hoćeš li kao jutros ili malo više?
however you want.
Hoćeš dan i po, a ja ću za tebi
No, it is fun. I liked working in it. I was just stupid for not like turning on plugins in there to like have LSPs or the language servers and like Rust analyzer and stuff. Oh, how do I do that? Overview. Invites. If not. It is certainly good. I tried using keybinds, but I don't like them very much. I'm not used to having both of my hands on the keyboard all the time. So I'm just like, fine. I'm gonna use Visual Studio normally. Because I'm used to clicking like Control C to copy and Control V to paste and selecting with my mouse and stuff. And I can't do that with NeoVim or Vim, like keybinds, Vim motions. So it's like, Oh my god. How do I create invites?
Oh, invites. Can I create you an invite?
Yes, you can create an invite. I don't know how to do it.
Okay, so you go here, you invite people, you edit invite,
Alright, thank you.
and then you go never,
Thank you.
no limit, and then you let it.
Thank you. Generate menu.
Hey, open.
Oh? What did you say? I'm sorry. You are very useful. Thank you very much. Yeah, it was like, if I remember correctly, you need to select, you need to go into V, and then you can select and then go up, down, and then click Y to yank it, and then P to paste it, or D to delete it, which is also cut, and so on and so forth, and I don't want that. And GitHub, Discord. I think this is gonna work. Let's see. Server settings. Invites.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Exactly. I want another link. But like the same thing, but another. Invite people. I think. It's always getting. I'm sad I can't have more like links. But it's all one because I want. I'm sorry. I want different ones from different places, so it can be like, okay, you can go here, you can do this, you can do that. Oh, I guess I never. Let me paste the GitHub link. Oh, let's see. Yeah, but when I want to pay faster, is it in a person digital? No, I added the links. I can't. In Discord, I wanted to create multiple invites to be like, hey, yeah, but I wanted multiple ones because before we could do that, and we was like, okay, this one is for this way, so I can see how many people I got invited from there. Also, here is a Discord link if you might want to join. So I'm
Join or else.
It doesn't though. That's what I'm so surprised about. Because I click invite. Hello Jack. Because I click invite people. And then when I edit it to never and low limit and generate a new link, it gives me always the same one, which is this one that I sent in the thingamajig, which is view awtujcab. Which is sad. It does generate maybe a new one each time if I don't set an expiration date, but I want an infinite link. So yeah, that's probably the problem. Let's see, rules. Anyway. I'm gonna, I guess. It's also probably smart. It's like, I didn't know they changed it. Maybe because it's of the page. I'm not gonna do that. I can't really be bothered. Let me just delete all the other ones. Server setting. Let's do it this way. So yeah, this is that. I think they changed it, sadly. I think this is all. Tauri Types Dev license. If it isn't, I'm gonna update it at some point then. Here, like, step first. Next. Push. I hope you're enjoying the stream. So I am hopeful. Let's see. I actually do have that. That was one of the projects I did before this. If you go to the repositories, it now, or do I want to put it in? Yeah, I'm gonna. Somebody else said, what is it? URL shortener. Yeah, here. Yeah, that's the bot thing image I did created. If you go to my YouTube, one of my live streams was thing you just said about. I'm gonna find something. Yeah, here, create a link for the shortener. So I'm using that for a few things, and I'm gonna probably change it here. Actually, I can just change it now. Can I? This for what? And we are not that late, thankfully. You can. There's live streams for all of it. That's the link. Let's press for that. Just a second. It's all live streamed. I haven't made a video from it because I was like, oh, let me do this and let me add that and let me add this, and I never got to actually publishing the video, which is the bane of my existence. This from Tauri Types.
Can't you use URL?
I have that. I made it myself.
That
Yeah, I'm using it. I'm just gonna check if it works. It it is. Now I'm gonna just check if it saved what I want, because I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't. Aha, this is the other thing, that's not that.
Streams?
Did you watch some other past streams or only this one? Or just from the video? Let's see, school, yeah. I don't remember. Well, then I guess you haven't watched it. But, like, welcome.
Welcome!
Link, I just need to find this. How do I?
You want your word?
Oh, I'm guessing, like, I never watched. Yeah, please. I barely watch like streams on YouTube. I do watch a lot of videos though. Let's see.
Can you read? That's
What? Can you taste it just a bit if it's okay? Let me just taste it. It's fine. Yeah, give me. Thank you.
So you can drink from this glass, right?
Yes, yes. Okay, so this works. I just tested it on my backhand. So I can change this. This up, and that should work, I think. That's fine.
Sorry.
Don't worry, don't worry. Status donate. Operator. This link. Tracking. Source. I can't wait to put. Okay, yeah, I understand. Shut up. Let's see.
No, that's it.
Nah, mate. Let me update.
You know what? I'm gonna get mine. Then we'll use your glass because it's your glass.
Thank you. I think this makes sense. I don't know. Outdoors. There's a fun thing. Yes. Oh, just a second, I'll be back. Let me get the food out of the oven.
Can I check if you want to use
Yeah, of course.
Jack more?
Yes.
Yeah. Jack, please keep him occupied for at least an hour so that I can watch a movie before bed.
Early risers, or also known as very late. We're going very late to bed. Like, God knows how. Does it make sense? Yes. I can do it at 5. What else do I have? Not much out there. That's that. There's a version. Oh, I gotta say, I love it. Seriously, oh, it's a love-hate relationship. What? With the borrow checker, not with you. With you, it's love. It's a love-hate relationship. It's a love-hate relationship because it's great, but if I need to do something more complex, I need to fight with it. Yeah, I think also. What are the new trade changes? I haven't even read about it. Um, but let me see. No, no trade changes. Just let's see. Here or there? Okay. Status quo. No, that goes with it. Which is still broken. I don't think so. I mean, they announced it only like 2 months, or not even a month ago, so I don't think it's gonna be going forward. I think it's still in preview, by what I can see, because it was July 17. Oh, no, it's July 7. Yeah, not even a month. So I don't think it's actually a roadmap. Yeah, so not even in like. Yeah. This is like 6 months to be testable. So I don't think it's gonna be close. Yeah, new tester. So end of year 2023, and then end of year 2024 is when it's gonna actually be like mostly working. So like a year, 2 years, a year and a half, a lot. That's a long time. End of year 2027. I love it. At least they have long-term goals.
Please eat.
I will. Don't worry. I would have loved if there was like comp time with Rust, like it has in a Zig. Comp. I don't know how to spell comp time. This was here. I would like, people would like to have like Rust 2.0, where they like fix all the bullshit, but with breaking changes. And it's like, that would be great, because then we have all the fixes. Yeah, the no breaking changes sucks really, because you can't fix some stuff that you want, because it's like, yeah, because they want backward compatibility, so there's no breaking changes, which is good until it's bad, because you're like, ooh, if we broke something, it would be 3 times faster, but it would be like bleh. I guess. Sadness, but it's like they have to choose between like, okay, do we want to be able to use this forever, or like much better improvements? And they're like, let's use it forever, which I can also understand. I hope I'm not too loud.
Very understandable.
I very understand. What can I say now? How do I publish this to Pay.io again?
Hello?
I don't remember. What are you currently working on, Jack? Let's hear about you a bit. Well, I'll try to remember how to publish update on Create. I don't mind to go to bed tomorrow, really. No, it's fine, don't worry. Push Byron. Let's again do it in a... Thank you, you too. I will, don't worry, I'm not stupid. Oh, for templating, what, like TypeScript or something? Not TypeScript, HTML. Schoolwork, the last thing on my list of to-dos. Let's see. Just a handle. handlebars. Ah, oh, yeah. Makes sense. Very nice. I have just been working on putting like JSX in Rust. It's very funny. Oh, I know that. It's like, I could use this, but I'm gonna do it myself. This already exists. I'm not a new person doing this. I'm just recreating it because I can. There's a much better version, which is called a Leptos, which is, a lot of this is based on. We can try that together if you want. Leptos is great, but I wanted to make it. Yeah, it's very good. It's like very, very good. But I was like, I can do that myself with more easy. More, I can do that easy myself too. And I was like, no, you can't. Though it is fun to do that. I did have a stream, maybe not on here. I tried streaming on Twitch for like 2 streams, it didn't go well, so I stopped streaming there. But it was like, I did stream a bit of this there, and creating graphics and Rust. And most of it is like macro work, because you want to be able to translate this into whatever Rust actually understands, and then you have to like you know, hit your head onto the wall for enough for long enough, and it's gonna work out eventually. And let's not even talk about signals and how much I hate them, but they work at the end. I know. Yeah, awful. Not good. Oh, let me not. I don't. You're perfectly bringing all the traumatic themes for me. FFI. I hate it. Of course you can eat, because I was working on a programming language, which you can also see on my YouTube. Don't worry. I have a video for everything here. I started it some time ago, and it was first written in C. Then I tried to rewrite it in Rust, but it was not going okay. So there is a long list of everything you can check out. Some of my game and some other things. This is a project I want to actually make a video about, but I'm lazy. Writing is hard, and speaking is even harder, so it's going slowly. I'm certainly gonna make a video about this though. Yeah. Cargo publish. Yeah, let's do cargo publish then, I guess. Well, God help me. I hope this is gonna work. I'm saying God help me. I hope this is gonna work. I had everything written in C. So for some reason I chose C to write it first. Thank you. I chose C to write it for some reason. And it was fun, but it was a lot of like, why, hard. And then some errors, which, you know, are normal, like the runtime errors, seg faults, and all of that stuff. And that's not fun to debug. So it's like, oh, I know a bit of Rust now. Let me go to try to make it in Rust, and it almost worked. Besides the borrow checker fighting with me, and now I think I could make it better and make it actually work. But then it was like, I don't know how to do this. I'm gonna skip it. That's it. Debbie? You're not bothering me, don't worry. I finally published the package. Yeah. This is a very side project for me. English is on point. I don't think. Thank you. I do agree. Borrow checker certainly is nice because it leaves you in boundaries, but it's also like you can take it. It.
Até vai, entendi.
No, I need the whole thing. I don't.
Não mais podes.
No. You don't get inside now. Thank you. What was I saying? Yeah, F5. Or this borrow checker is nice. Yeah, it keeps you in bounds, but for more complex projects, and when you know something's gonna work, but it's breaking the rules, it's gonna be hard to overcome it. Because for some reasons, for some things like this here, when I'm writing to file, I use a lot of, in quotation marks, a lot of unsafe, because I know it's gonna be fine. But the rest is, are you sure it's gonna be fine? Are you sure? I'm like, pretty sure it's gonna work. Let's go with it. Because it doesn't know what I know. So I'm just gonna put it all in unsafe. The whole program is just one big unsafe block. Yeah, even here. Because it's a static, but it's like, hey, it might be used somewhere else, it can be rewritten. Try using something else. And I was like, no, I don't want to try using something else. So yeah, static. That's like the biggest problem. So it's like, I know the compiler is single threaded, so I don't need to think about it breaking here. It's not like some other process is gonna work with file, and if it does, it's gonna be a read at like the worst. So I don't care, read all you want. Which is like fine. And I need it here to be static, so it doesn't always rewrite the file, because it would be like, that's the type, and then rewrite with the other type, rewrite with this. Oh, I have a project. I'm gonna find it. It uses that. It's this thing. No. It's this thing. And it is all very correct. I agree. It's like very easy to just push it onto the heap. And here I have like a mutex and a hash map and everything that's nice. But it's so fucking hard to work with it. Like look at this. I have to lock it and get it, then push it here, there, and do all the stuff. This is a Tauri app for like NAS, for synchronization between like folders, like importing source here. It's gonna back up this directory to here. Yeah, that is awful. Oh, and config here, like mutex config again. I have to load it and it's okay, and if it locks, and if it doesn't lock, report, and so on and so forth. Oh, how does that work? I'm guessing you are going directly into Windows APIs or like Linux APIs or whatever. Here it is. I'm guessing it's locked here and here, depending on where it works. Oh, then I don't know. Are you using some library for that, or are you like rolling out your own? Because I'm guessing yeah, that's probably hard to find one that works, but you can probably find a C library that works for that. Yeah, FFmpeg, sure. You can maybe look at what OBS does, because this can use like C. So maybe you can just copy paste C code from OBS and be like, it works. But I'm guessing there's no fun in copy pasting, you want to write your own. Otherwise you would have been using OBS normally. Understandable. FF5. But yeah, I guess it would make sense. So something like it's always recording but putting it out, so you can like save a clip, for example in CSGO or something, you get an ace or something and you just press save and it saves a backlog. Very nice. I don't think OBS has that. If you go into settings, there is a replay buffer, so maybe you can use something like that. But I understand. It could be, like, I've never actually used it. But there is, I don't think Nvidia and AMD both have it in their software, preloaded. Yeah, understandable. Ah, so it has like I mean, I would hope they're so good that they're making the fucking graphics card. If they can't make it good, no one else can. You can take as many CPUs as you have Hollywood in there. Probably they're the ones writing it. They can use whatever method they want with the GPU. It's theirs. Nvidia's. We're talking about the clipping features, you know, where you can like click save and it saves like the last 20 seconds to fire or something. Are you playing Baldur's Gate 3? Baldur's, however, instead. I think AMD has it because I know my brother is using it. I don't know really. I know my brother's using it, and it's even an old AMD GPU, and it's working fine, so I think it has it. I don't know how long the buffer is. But yeah. The most important question my GF to you is, are you playing Baldur's Gate?
Yes, I'm waiting.
Or have you even heard of it? It's a game that just released. It's like a D&D game. And everyone is so, oh my god, so good. I couldn't run it on my PC.
And it's tomorrow, Rory.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Wink, wink.
Yeah, we might stream it.
Probably not. Maybe. Oh. I like how people are already somehow using level.
My question is.
Maybe she's looking at stuff. He will answer something. We'll jump him if he doesn't.
That's it. We're gonna sneak attack.
Yeah, I don't know how people are already using it so much.
Because you made a solution that was needed.
Bro, I'm gonna go and make fun of all the people on the Tauri server that aren't using it. Be like, haha, look at what I got.
Do you mean? Huh?
They have a server. The guys who make Tauri. I'm gonna go there and be like, haha, look what I have and you don't. I'm not the kind of actually stay.
I can do it for you.
No. Stop. I'll be good. Of course. Give me. No, not worry. Okay, I'll do it. Here, hold my stuff. This also good fish. Anything else in fridge or that's that?
Okie
I need to start pinging people in Discord when I start streams.
Stop. Stop hearing.
When I start stream, because I haven't done it. Not that there were people in the Discord before, so you know. Yeah, no, there's two. Ah, his PC crashed. Love it when games ship a kernel anti-cheat and it crashes my PC. So one of, I think the most used one is the red one. I'm guessing you are playing. Kako zove igrica od Reda? Kako će play? Not CSGO. Valorant, yeah. I'm guessing you played Valorant. Bro. Ask me. Show me, yeah.
Okay, so Maki is dying. But yes, do you like Baldur's Gate? Game that just got released. You should Google it. It's very fun to play. I've been playing it for 10 hours. I have 10 hours in my playtime. And I'm converting Maki to start playing too. He wants to.
Yeah, but oh my god.
Yes. Yeah.
My voice is bad because I choked on food. Yeah, Baldur's Gate 3.
Yes.
Oh, perfectly fine. I'm sorry if I sound like an old lady. I almost choked on water, on food.
Not like an old lady.
I don't know, it doesn't sound good. Yeah, I haven't played it much, like on the technical side, but it is a very popular game that just got released, and everyone is like, "Oh my god, such a good game!" I think it is. It's poly, which is unusual for games nowadays. It is expensive, but it has 0 microtransactions, which again makes sense.
It is really expensive if you look at the playtime and the replayability
maybe,
and the
maybe not.
thing of the game and stuff.
It's very expensive for me.
We are poor students, but
Yeah. It is nice artwork. It's a very good game. It's like they spent God knows how many hundreds of millions of dollars on it.
no, they didn't. They didn't have big funding.
How much funding did they have?
I don't know, but they didn't have like AAA funding.
Well, it's still a lot of money because you don't make that without a lot of money.
And they were like from, I don't know, the latest game they made was in 2003 or something.
I think so, yeah. Yeah, 60 USD is a bit too much for me. Maybe if this streaming thing takes off, I can buy maybe a game.
For us, yes, but in general, if you look at games, it is fairly priced for its content.
Which one is that? The new realistic game. Which one? The one that looks, the terrain was like, here are they in real life or not? And you.
Yeah, but
No.
Diablo. Ah, well, people say that Baldur's Gate is better than Diablo.
Listen, none of these opinions are coming from me. So, if you want to go ahead and go after someone for these good or bad opinions, don't go after me.
That's what people say.
Good for them. I'm not saying anything.
You're not announcing, I don't know what. You're just talking about games.
New realistic game.
Diablo. Diablo is the biggest game that came out before Baldur's Gate 3.
Do you mean about this game? And I was like, oh my god, how does it look so good? Yeah, so it's like Unreal. I'm joking, it's Unreal. I think it was made in an Unreal Engine.
Well, that's not the same genre.
And yeah, but it's he went to go. I agree, it is. Also, just wanted to talk about it.
I'm scared of this, to be honest.
No, you can very much see when it's not. Like Linus said in one of the videos, like you can see the lightning and not.
But it's fairly realistic, and if something fairly realistic.
Listen, we have deep fakes already. We don't need anything more.
But imagine a scary, realistic monster comes up. You'd be scared shitless. I would be as well.
Everyone would be scared. Yeah, but if you're just playing the game, I don't think you're gonna see the issues.
Yes, I think you'd be very much immersed. I'm also very fine with cartoon games. Scary types.
Oh, very scary. I would not be able to play that. I mean, they're the ones who like the realistic games. I don't. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm not trapped in your release. That's how it works.
At least it escaped Silicon Valley.
Which? What?
The thing, you know, where it's like, it looks like a human, but it's not human, and it scares the shit out of you.
That's Silicon Valley.
It's how do you call them?
Oh, I don't know.
Uncanny Valley.
Uncanny Valley. The Silicon Valley is a place where they make code. So I'll be very surprised if it escaped from there. Go watch the movie before we have to go to sleep. I mean, if you're gonna watch the movie because it's already like 5.
I got into the conversation.
Don't worry, you can be here.
Yeah.
Big bugs.
Scary.
Very scary stuff. Thankfully, I have a from when needed to when not needed job, so I can do stuff like this. Ah, yeah. Escaping from 9 to 5 job there. What did I do? Fixed bugs.
Had fun.
Not. I'm joking. Fixed. Uh, what's the name of this? I can never remember it. Though. Occupation. Fixed occupation. No.
You can plug
Good.
me.
I will. My girlfriend here has a YouTube channel of her own. She's a VTuber. I don't know what VTuber. And since she always goes ahead and shouts me out, I have to also shout her out. Lol. So her name is what? Mouse.
Yeah.
Mouse. I know. I'm joking. I gave the name.
His name on my channel is Satan. Satan? Yes.
That, of course, companies more when it comes to CS unless it's bottleneck and you are below and the balance. Yeah, I agree. I rarely work like 9 to 5. Like I usually do, like let's say 4 hours of coding a day maybe. But there are of course crunch times where it's like 12 hours a day. Yeah, it's like, yeah, let's look here, let's look there. Like I get a list of tasks I have to do. I'm like, okay, let's do this, and I do it, and let's do that, and it's like, oh shit, we have to do this by next week, and it's like, okay, now I'm gonna work all the undone hours, all the hours not worked before. So what other times. Where are my comments?
Do you wanna tell them the joke?
I don't know what joke it could be.
The commit joke?
I think that's funny.
I think it's very funny. Jack's gonna do something crazy. Let's see.
Oh, let's hear the spicy opinion.
Drop it.
Ah, don't know.
Country music television.
So it's not that or something. Ah, I understand that. He used alias. So it's like commit this. So it's instead of git commit with message, he just does cm and then message and it pushes.
That's smart. I wanna do that.
Oh, I'm guessing it breaks. I wouldn't be surprised. Though everything I touch breaks, so it might just be me. Ah, so git commit is just git cmt.
So it's just a shortened version.
Yeah, makes sense.
I don't see the craziness in that.
I agree.
I'm also a programmer.
Fixed bugs. I and L. Hobbit. Smart fix the bugs. Probably other bugs. Probably bugs. We all program at least on a small basis. How do I? On part-time basis. Understand. It happens. Sometimes can't like write correctly. My hand moves a space to the left or to the right or somewhere, and it's like all one key wrong. Wrong other bugs. Wrong other bugs. Choose a binaries. I don't think I'm gonna touch binaries. Yeah, your brain is too fast, so you write, and some comments go faster than the others. A true race condition. IRL. Very good. It's perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and see if we can post this somewhere for people to like follow it. Because I want people to actually use this. Yeah, Tauri Discord. I feel like if anyone's gonna use it, it's people from the Tauri Discord. Me too. It took me. Just let me find this. Where is the YouTube? It took me 3 hours to make something very simple looking. So it's gonna take a lot more learning. I want to make a YouTube GitHub moderate wrapper. Yeah, I have that installed and I like it. And let's turn it on. It is, and I'm gonna use the technique they use, which is reading a special file with the tree to. So what they do, there is a special file in somewhere on the disk in the root that has everything cached already for you. You can just read it out. I think it is 3. I think they even say it. Yeah, when scanning NTFS, formatted drives, history reads the hard drive's master file table directly from the disk. Like everything search does, it can also quickly scan non-FTS. So this MFT thing. So I'm gonna like when I at some point do that, I'm gonna go ahead and also read it and be like very fast like them. I'm gonna try that. I want to create this, but hopefully better. And it's not going very well because I'm not good at writing UI. I can try. But I'm gonna try to make it work on also Linux and stuff. But for now, it's gonna work on Windows because, well, I don't have a Linux machine, so.
You have.
No, not really.
It's very.
Okay, true, but it's hard to get it to there.
Well, we look at Mark from Savage.
Thank you.
You made one facial expression. I was thinking, it's like Mark.
Yeah, Marco. Mark.
It's the American version.
It's the bastardization of my name.
It's for fun, actually.
Mm-hmm.
So it's for that. Oh, I forgot what the project was.
My UI is also very bad. Like, I suck at doing it. But at the end, it works. Yeah. Everything can run Linux at some point. For now, it's only this, and this took me 3 hours. Plus, however many hours it took me to build the library. So, it's going well. At some point, I might even get to the second screen. I can make just about anything if I know what it needs to look like. If I need to think of what it looks like myself to design anything, it's gonna suck because I have 0 skills in it. If someone told me to write a terminal app, it would look bad. So I have special skills like no one else. How much are they gonna dislike me having their name in
Oh,
my name? Hopefully not that much. It's gonna be fine. I hope. Check it. I don't have the luxury of having 200 gigabytes in my recycle bin. As you can see, my every disk of mine is full to the brim. So I'm gonna need to fix that. Or make it work at least. I agree. If you told someone like 20 years ago, even 10 years ago, yeah, I have 200 gigs, this or that. Just think 20 years ago, I'm like, yeah, I had 200 gigabyte game to download. That will look at you like you're crazy. No, don't. And I agree. Like I add another drive and then it's full the next day. It's like why? How? It's the same with RAM. Like no matter how much RAM I have, it's always gonna be full. I have like 32 gigs of RAM, and you don't know how fast I can fill it up. We have the same amount. Like I think if I had like 64 gigs, I would still be able to fill it up. Like now, I'm using like 18 gigabits, and I don't think I'm doing much crazy stuff. Like it's very yeah. Windows is like okay, the more you have, the more I can take, because it's like I can deal with 2 gigabytes, but if you have more, it would be easier to work with more. So I'm gonna take like 8 gigabytes of your RAM. I think so. Let's see. I don't know how to say that, but a lot of stuff is using a lot of other stuff. Yeah, me too. But I don't. What keeps me in Windows is all programs more or less work. I can use Photoshop, I can use whatever, and most of the professional programs for like that usually just work out of the box on Windows. If I change like to Linux, OBS would be pretty sucky to record with and stream with, from what I've heard, and games don't really work. Here and there, maybe better with like the Steam Deck coming out before, like last year, but it's like Wine and stuff that you have on Linux that maybe work, maybe don't. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna post the whole tutorial. Yeah, that's the problem. I can barely install the. I can barely install a game with an installer. God forbid if I had to do more stuff. Of course, it's I'm sure there are a lot of programs that work like that. It's just Pacman installer. apt install, but I don't want to know how many of them don't. Though I agree, it certainly is easy in installer. Now I can see that not working. Yeah, that I can see. Today I had like on Windows problem to install like a game couldn't find .NET correctly, and I was like losing my mind over it because I would install it and it wouldn't see it, and then I would restart the PC, try again, and it wouldn't see it, and so on. Don't worry, it's fine. I figured it out again. Oh, yours. Which games do you like playing, like from the shooter kind? Do you like CSGO? Do you like Valorant? Some other game that I don't know? PUBG? I don't know. What do kids play these days?
He played Baldur's Gate.
True. A lot of people like Valorant.
Oh. It's an indie studio that achieved such a massive feat.
Which feed? Baldur's Gate?
Duh.
Ah, I was talking about Valorant or something. A small studio named Riot is made Valorant. They're pretty good. Oh, we love playing Minecraft. It's like very, very relaxing. Until you need to do something that's not relaxing, in which case you also want to rip it apart, but it's fine most of the times, and then you die. And then it gets a bit less fun.
Do you remember our last playthrough?
We still have that playthrough. We need to continue it. We haven't played for a long time. Oh, me too. I love making mods and using mods. Using mods much more fun. Making mods is fun, but also exhausting, and it takes a lot of work. I learned to program because I was like, oh, I can make Minecraft mods. I was like, let's try that. I think everyone starts that. I made a long time ago a mod. I don't want to. I don't like that. I had a mod. I published it. Let's see.
Because they still follow you for your stuff.
I don't. So I have two mods published actually. First one is like a My Hero Academia mod. And the other one is like portable music, which looks perfectly fine. Yeah, I don't know how that happened. And I haven't updated since like 2018, which is crazy. I tried a few times, but I like much more making the API of it. That's good. This is the second one I made and it has like 90 download. But I'm much more. I like this one much more though. But it do be what it do be.
Can you make a furniture mod, please?
There is a lot of furniture mods. I believe in you. Please do.
Make furniture mod.
No, please do say when you make the mod so I can go and look at it. Add it to a mod pack maybe. I like the old one. Yeah, true. Small library, translate. I can check it out. Check out the full story. Check out the full on GitHub. Is this the best? Is this okay? I don't know what to write.
Perfect. Straight to the point.
On library for walk. That's not very good here, for a veteran walk. Congrats. I'm somewhat of a data hoarder, so I have a lot of data backed up. Like there were the leaks, which I might or might not have. And there's a lot of other stuff that I have. I didn't have much money, so I bought this thinking like it's gonna be fine. It's not fine anymore. And that's the biggest. If I deleted like all the games, I would have like more than half a terabyte free. I'm thinking of like buying either a 4 terabyte like hard disk, which isn't even all that expensive anymore, which I'm very happy about, or like a 2 terabyte SSD maybe. I'm debating between the two of them. I might just take the hard disk because I don't think it's gonna be all that slower that I can perceive, but it's gonna be much bigger in storage. Fine.
It's perfect. Don't you?
I give posts. Post now. I posted, so let's hope we don't die.
Gonna be okay.
I think I'm gonna die.
Mm.
I'm gonna die.
What?
Do you play ranked Valorant or normal Valorant? No, yeah. What rank are you? When it's with friends, it's for fun more. Oh, I don't think that's that low. That's like high. Actually, like when I play, my brother usually plays with his friends, and I sometimes join there, and it's fun. But every time there's like a few months of me not playing when I play, so I suck at everything I do. Oh, very good friends. close all of these. I don't think of that. And yes. 596 lines of code. And now I need like 3000 lines of script to be able to publish a video about the process and make it monetizable. I'm gonna be here like a few more minutes, then I have to go. I agree, but believe me, even in uni, and we are in uni, I feel like I know more than a lot of teachers. Because some of them are really like debatable if they like program at all. But yeah, in high school, I certainly did know more about about programming than my teacher. It's because I was special. What do you think about the thumbnail for the stream? Do you think it's nice? Do you think it works on YouTube? I'm getting feedback direct from the audience. Do they like the thumbnail? Or do I need to change it?
You better say yes!
I'm glad then. Because I try to make thumbnails and that's very hard. Yeah, 5 more minutes. 5:30 and we go to soup, okay? This guy is my girlfriend's favorite guy. I don't know if you ever seen him, but he's a very funny person. A very funny thing about it from a video from Blender Foundation and top.
Please watch all of the shorts, they are very funny.
We spent enough time, we're gonna go to sleep directly. I try to work with Blender and every time I do, I fail. This is what I did, and from where that video is from. It's a game. I tried making a game, trans as your desktop wallpaper. And it's almost finished, but I'm very lazy, so that's why it's almost finished. For like a year almost, so. Oh, C has a special place in my heart. I'm sad it doesn't have like more views. Thank you. I'm sad it doesn't have more views. Let me find my TikTok. I think I posted it. Yeah, I posted there, it got more views. Yeah, it got a lot more views there. But yeah, I didn't know it was true until I looked it up and was like, what the hell? I agree. I was like, how the heck does that work? And I was like, no, it makes sense. And thankfully that was during the time when I was exactly more for you, when I was working on a programming language to add arrays to it. And arrays are easy. And whoever told me that lied, because they're not easy. I hate them. I hate how I need to reverse them every time I enter a function, and how a lot of things just breaks, and I hate it. When writing arrays into a programming language. Other than that, they're perfectly fine. When making them, the end is hard. When making them safe is even harder because of how. So when I made a programming language, let's go here. I think I have it pinned. Oh, I don't like them. Let's see. And actually over here, array cleanup. I don't think I even did arrays. Arrays. Yeah, this was so hard to implement, and this is arrays, but with like static length, and I still haven't implemented slices here, and I haven't implemented them ever. So they just like suck. So I can only have like I have a print char array 5 and then print char array 3 and then call them separately because I can only pass a non-length because I wanted to add slices which would look like this and I would have a dot length attribute, but since I don't have those I need to set it, say this is gonna be exactly this long so I can loop it. And since I don't have loops, I had to do what is it? A recursive function. I will make them. At some point I'm gonna return and I would love to continue making it C because that would be very fun. By fun I mean awful, but fun to for everyone else to see me suffer. And it does hurt the step. But I don't have a loop yet, so it is what it is. Print line. Oh, lol. That's interesting. I like scoped and stuff. Yes, it is compiled. So what I have is it compiles it to assembly and then it's assembled with another thing because I don't know how to write an assembly. So if you go here, it like creates a program, compiles it to us. I get the AST, so the syntax tree, and then I optimize it. Yeah, thank you again. And then I generate it, the assembly, and then I compile it with like, what would it be? With NASM. Yeah. Okay. I have to go. It's as you can see on the time. It's 5:30 in the morning, and I'm not supposed to go to sleep after the sun rises. Yeah, so I need to run. I will. Don't worry. I don't have a job that takes a concrete time. I can wake up whenever I want. And since everyone at my job works late, it doesn't matter. But we don't have the energy, so I'm gonna have to go. We can speak tomorrow more on Discord or something. I'm probably gonna stream. What I'm gonna stream is still questionable. Probably the file explorer thing, but I might take a break and work on a video. I'll see. I'm still not sure. But yeah. See ya. Bye bye.
Now.
I'm how do you tell my pet? Waving, I'm waving. Bye bye. See ya.